Cold Season family, we are back with another food review. This time we are, you know what I'm saying, it's dessert time, you know what I'm saying? Fresh after a good workout, nice little spar session, you know what I'm saying? We got our glazed donut right here, you know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and taste this mug. So I've been putting people on this donut shop damn near for over 10 years. Since back in high school. I know a long time these was old. But this donut shop, they open up at 10:30 p.m. and they close at 4 p.m. So if you're looking for some late night donuts or a late night snack, you got a sweet tooth late at night, Marie's Donuts, you know what I'm saying? Pull up. They got cool places for you to park, you know what I'm saying? Grab your donuts and you chilling. But this is a good ass, nice and fluffy glazed donut. Got a lot of glaze on here. Original glazed donut. We're gonna give this a 9 out of 10. They used to not have muffins, so I don't know how the muffins are gonna taste. But we got a glaze on it, an old-fashioned glazed donut, chocolate chip muffin, and then we got a dozen donut holes. But the donut holes are A1, bro. They always have been A1. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure they're still gonna be A1. These donut holes melt in your mouth, bro. Donut holes, 10 out of 10. If you want some good donut holes, go to Marie's Donuts. Those are 10 out of 10 donut holes, I promise. They got the good milk too, crystal milk. Y'all see that old-fashioned glaze? Now this is how old-fashioned glazed donut is supposed to look. You already know it's gonna have a nice little crunch to it and be nice and soft on the inside. That's how it's supposed to be. So, you know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and these are really filling too. Like the old-fashioned glaze is damn near like equivalent to eating two just the regular glazed donuts. Because the glazed donuts, they're, you know what I'm saying, they got that little fluff to it, but it's not like compact. This shit is like, you know what I'm saying, it got that fluff to it, but it's compact. So you're getting a lot more dough, and a lot more calories on the old-fashioned glaze. The old-fashioned glaze is more like, it tastes like cake, kind of like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it more resembles like a cake versus donut. But I used to really like these, but this is just, you know what I'm saying, it's all right. I actually liked the glazed donut. a lot better than this. So we're gonna go ahead and actually give this, we'll give this a 7.9, because it's still good, but gotta give it a 7.9, because I just expected better. I expected better from this. Shut that down. We're gonna try this muffin. I'm not really a muffin guy. I do like Papa Seed muffins. I know some people don't like those for some reason. Papa Seed muffins are my all-time favorite muffin. I don't really eat muffins though, you know what I'm saying? But chocolate chip muffin, let's see. Yeah, this is, I'm gonna give this a 7 out of 10. It's average. I don't know, if you like muffins, you might fuck with this, but for me, it's whatever. The donut holes, 10 out of 10. Glazed donut, about a 9 out of 10. Old-fashioned glaze, 7.9. The muffin, I'll give it a 7. Just average. You know what I'm saying? So Marie's Donuts, they got a whole bunch of variety of donuts. A bunch of different items on the menu. It's open on the late night. There's no one here right now. There was no line. Usually on the weekends, you're gonna get more of a line. But yeah, overall, we'll give them a 8.8 out of 10 overall score. So if you're ever in the Sacramento area, near downtown, or near Freeport Boulevard, I should say, you know what I'm saying, give them a try. Go ahead and check them out. Marie's Donuts. All right, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.